wonderful people. I hope you all are safe, as during this pandemic we are facing certain challenges because our lifestyle has changed in a lot of ways. So today in this video I will be talking about a challenge that almost all the parents are facing during the current situation, and that is raising and taking care of their children. From keeping the family quarantine to homeschooling the children for the first time, and doing their household duties, and for some doing their work duties, parents are feeling stressed and overwhelmed. So today I will be sharing some parenting tips that you can inculcate during a pandemic. It is very important that you establish a daily routine, not only for your children but also for yourself, as you will never be able to change your life until you change something you do daily, because the secret of your success is found in your daily routine. Your daily routine should also include eating healthy and having a proper sleep. And don't forget to add some free time or me time in the routine, as it will help you both have some inner peace and help the child to feel more secure and well behaved. It will help you and your child to maintain physical as well as your mental well-being. As you know, because of the current situation, there is restriction of movement, जिसकी वजह से children are not able to socialize or play or have much of physical contact, which is actually impacting their well-being and their development. Also, the schools are closed, which is preventing them to have access over learning or limiting their interaction with their peers. All of these changes are impacting them, and they might be having different feelings and emotions. Like some might feel sad, or some might feel frustrated, or some might even feel happy or excited about it. So you need to understand that all emotions and feelings are valid, and as parents and caregivers, it is your responsibility to create an environment for them where they can talk to you freely about how they are feeling, about their emotions, about their queries. They can clarify it with you. So you need to give them time and attention so that they can talk to you freely. You can use some tools or techniques to calm and comfort your child. For example, you can narrate your child a story, or together you can read a storybook. You can sing together, you can dance, you can watch your favorite movie, or you can play board games or do certain activities. You can also do household chores together. It will help the child to learn how the child can help you. You can encourage your child to write a diary or a journal. You can also write a love letter and give it to your child. You can reassure your child by providing them a safe environment, and also by solving and answering their queries. But remember, it should be through a reliable and a valid source. Encourage the children to pursue or learn at least one thing that they love to do other than their regular studies, as it will make them happy and relaxed. Avoid watching, listening, reading, or discussing a lot of news about coronavirus, and help your child divert their attention to other topics as well. So in the end, I would just like to remind you that before a parent, you are yourself an individual. So it is important that you take care of your mental well-being as well. Because if you don't put your oxygen mask first, you will not be able to take care of your little ones. So it is important that you take care of yourself as well. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget, parenting is your superpower.